Today we're going to be diving into the rabbit hole of Einstein's twin paradox. The twin paradox is a thought experiment in special relativity that involves two identical twins, one of which travels through space at very high speeds and returns to Earth to find that the twin that stayed on Earth aged more. So there's actually been a real-life example of this happening. From March 2015 to March 2016, identical twin Scott Kelly spent 340 days in space on the ISS, while his twin Mark Kelly stayed on Earth as a control subject. And because Scott was traveling around 17,500 miles per hour relative to Mark, he aged around 5 milliseconds less than Mark, but some sources say it was 8.5. Lots of people have proposed explanations for this paradox, including Max von Loo, I don't know how to say that. In 1913, he argued that since the time-traveling twin must be in two separate inertial frames, one on the way out and another on the way back, this frame switch is the reason for the aging difference. So there's lots of other people that have proposed explanations for this paradox, like Albert Einstein, Max Born, and Paul Langevin. I think that's how you say it. So a way to better understand the paradox is to realize that the traveling twin is undergoing acceleration, thus becoming a non-inertial observer. In both views, there is no symmetry between the space-time paths of the twins, therefore the twin paradox is not actually a paradox in the sense of a logical contradiction. I could go more in depth of all the explanations people have done, but I don't necessarily understand all of them, and I don't really feel like talking about all of them, but now you know what the twin paradox is, and that was what I wanted to get across. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I have. Okay, thank you for watching.